Hey guys, these are the materials that we need for making this Jawa: a 4.0mm crochet hook, scissor darning needle, and 3 colors of this acrylic yarn. We will start with a magic ring, chain 1, and do 8 single crochet inside the ring. Once you're done with your 8 single crochet, pull the tail of the yarn and slip stitch on this first chain. Slip stitch and chain 1. And do 2 single crochet each of chain for 16 stitches around. Mark your first single crochet and repeat 2 single crochet each of chain. Note that we always have 1 chain left after the end of the round because it's our chain 1. Slip stitch on the first chain and do 1 single crochet first chain and 2 single crochet second chain for a total of 24 stitches. Once we are done with 24 stitches, we will slip stitch on our stitch marker, chain 1, and we will do a back loop only single crochet. This is our front loop in front of us, and the back loop is on the back of the front loop, and we will do a back loop only single crochet on 24 stitches around. Slip stitch on stitch marker, chain 1, and we'll do a normal single crochet on the 2 loop, normal single crochet on the 24 stitches. Slip stitch, chain 1, and do 1 single crochet on the first and second chain, and we will decrease on the third chain. We'll insert our hook, grab the yarn 2 loop, insert the hook on the next chain, grab the yarn, you have 3 loop, and pull 3 loops, and repeat 1 single crochet first chain and second chain, and decrease on the third chain. Once you made the 18 stitches, we will slip stitch and chain 1, and we will do 1 single crochet each of the chain for a total of 18 stitches around, and we will need to repeat 6 rounds of 18 single crochet. Once you made the 6 rounds of 18 single crochet, we will then slip stitch and chain 1, and we will count 16 single crochet back and forth for 11 rounds of 16 single crochet. Once you did the 16 single crochet, you will notice that you have 3 chains left at the end of the row. Go back and forth for 16 single crochet for 11 rounds. This is what it looked like on the 16 single crochet of 11 rounds. Get the yarn and fold and sew both sides. Once you're done sewing the head of or the hood of Jawa, you can use, I use a extra yarns and I use it for a stuffing. So now we will do the face or the interior face of the Jawa. All you need to do is do a magic ring and do a 16 single crochet up to 16 single crochet and make 8 rounds of 16 single crochet. This is the 8 rounds of 16 single crochet.